Shah Rukh Khan, one of India's most iconic film stars, recently shared insights into his children's budding careers and his perspective on Hollywood. Suhana Khan, his daughter, is set to debut with Netflix The Archies, while his son Aryan Khan is taking on the role of director for his first web series. As for Shah Rukh himself, when asked about Hollywood, he humorously quipped that he might need to speak English well enough before taking on a role in the global film industry. Shah Rukh, who has enjoyed an illustrious career spanning over 3 decades, acknowledged Hollywood as the world's greatest and biggest cinema in terms of reach. Despite numerous opportunities, he has chosen to stay focused on projects that resonate deeply with Indian audiences. He emphasized that if he ever takes on a Hollywood project, it would be one that upholds the immense respect and love that his fans in India have for him. The superstar's comments come as he reflects on his career choices and the legacy he's built in Indian cinema. While Hollywood has always been a tempting proposition for many, Shah Rukh has remained dedicated to roles and films that align with his values and the expectations of his audience. His statement underscores the careful consideration he gives to every project, ensuring that it not only meets global standards but also honors the cultural significance of his work in India. In his interview with Variety, Shah Rukh also touched on the pride he feels in his children's endeavors, suggesting that while the global stage is an exciting prospect, the roots of his and his family's career remain deeply planted in Indian soil. His focus on integrity and audience respect highlights the thoughtful approach he takes towards every opportunity, whether in Bollywood or beyond.